Okay, this should be good for a laugh. Sue versus the snow. Take one. For the record, I have never shoveled snow before in my life. We've never gotten this much. Ah! Cold. Yeah, I'm putting that right where I need the shovel, so that probably wasn't very smart. Okay. We'll come back to that. Let's make a little path. Oh, Jesus. Snow is heavy for anybody who isn't aware. I don't really see any cat tracks, but I do see things that look like they could have been cats. Or they might have been humans. They might have been dogs. Who knows? I do see cat footprints now, but mostly bird footprints. I got a little path all the way around the car now, completely out of breath. It's like 5 degrees out here. How in the heck? Ah! All right, let's go look at these icicles. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I'm not walking over there because the snow is deeper than my boots, and I'd have to do more shoveling, which I will eventually do because I have trash to take out. Everything is white, 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 white. I wish I knew where the feral cats were. That's the only bummer about this, is that I don't know where the kitties are. And if I knew where the kitties were, I wouldn't worry. Kevin and Ginger are still in the house. They want no part of this. And who can blame them? Oh, ah! My gloves are heated. Electric gloves. So I can push this snow off like this, but I really don't know how this all works. I don't know if I'm built for this. So my friends in Minnesota and all the protesters in Minnesota that are going out anyway, despite all this, they're fucking rock stars. Let me see if I can open my door. Well, I can't because I don't have keys. Oh, well, I wonder if I can drive over that, because they're not going to plow it down here, and if they did, they just push the snow into my driveway. But this is how deep it is. It's up over my boots, like I said. You can tell that car. Oh, okay, so it's plowed. If I can just get over, I may have to shovel some of that. Gosh darn it. I can probably go over the straight snow, but where the plow pushed it up, I may have to shovel some more. But it's been plowed on the street, so I can probably get out of here. I'm probably going to test that later. You can tell there haven't been very many cats around because of the tracks here. These are bird tracks, not cat tracks. And we've had a whole bunch of... Now that looks like a raccoon footprint from last night. I don't see any cat footprints. I see more raccoon footprints. Those raccoons. And then those are more bird footprints. The cats have been having a great time inside. I don't know if you can tell, beyond the skyline, it looks like there's an ocean. That's actually just a gigantic field of snow that's normally corn or wheat or soybeans. And this is me tracking snow into the house. That was really something. And I don't know if I made it any better or not.